Hey, this is Loryn from Silver. Today, I'm bringing you a powerful strategy for re-engaging cold leads that are already sitting in your CRM. This is one of the fastest ways to generate new opportunities without spending a dollar on ads. So let's talk about cold lead re-engagement. You probably have tons of leads in your system that just went quiet. Maybe they were contacted but never responded. Maybe they booked a consultation and no-showed or canceled. Or they actually completed their consultation, but they're still in that deciding stage. The good news, these people are still in your system, which means at some point they raised their hand and showed interest. Let me show you how to find them and reach back out in a way that feels natural and gets responses. First, we're going to look at our pipelines. I'm looking for specific stages where people got stuck, things like consultation no-show, consultation canceled, or consultation complete deciding. These are your warmish leads who just need a gentle nudge. What I'm going to do is tag these contacts so I can easily message them as a group. I'm going to select the ones I want to reach out to and add a tag like Reengage Feb 2025 or Cold Lead Outreach. This just helps me keep things organized. Now, before I send anything, I'm going to review my tagged list. I want to make sure everyone on here is actually someone I want to reach out to. Maybe someone already rebooked, or maybe there's a note that says not interested. Clean up your list first. All right, now we're ready to send. I'm going to go to Contacts, filter by that tag I just created, select all, and then I'm going to use the bulk SMS feature to send a batch text. Here's the key. Keep it simple and conversational. Something like, hey, this is Loryn from Practice Name. Are you still struggling with those glasses and contacts? We can help. Or for a med spa, are you still thinking about skin rejuvenation or Botox? It's a new year. Are you meeting the goals you set for yourself? Just a thoughtful question that reopens the conversation. No pressure, no hard sell. You're just checking in. Hit send. Now here's what's really important. Be ready to respond. When you send out a batch message like this, you're going to get responses. Some people will opt out, and that's totally fine. You can remove them from opportunities and move on. But others are going to raise their hand and say, yes, I'm still interested. Make sure you're monitoring your conversation section closely after you send these messages. Reply quickly, be personal, and get them back on the calendar. That's it. One simple strategy to breathe new life into leads you've already paid to acquire. Try it this week and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tip.